What is up, you guys? This is Bryson. I am Brian. I'm back with another reaction video. This one is called Our Coffee Machine is Racist. The original link will be down in the description box down below, and I'm fucking up on the intro again. But let me go ahead and get straight into this.
So I thought yesterday was Monday and also the day before that. So basically I've been here for 3 Mondays.
You should see a doctor about that. See ya.
Bye. Hey, Shane.
Hey, Olivia. Great. It's broken.
Flitz just got coffee.
Oh, then he's the one who broke it.
Let me try.
What the?
See?
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Oh, hey, Courtney.
Shh. I'm saving my personality for camera. I'm about to shoot a vlog.
Wait, is that cup empty?
Yes, sir.
It worked for Flitz and Olivia. It won't work for me or Courtney. Oh my God. The coffee machine is racist! Against white people! No, I need your help.
Yeah, totally, man. Okay, so we're gonna need twice as much weight as we think because when the human body dies, it bloats and then it floats in water. And if
No. I think the coffee machine is racist. Against white people.
it probably is.
Well, can you make a cup of coffee to test it out?
No, I don't drink coffee because caffeine's a drug.
I don't need you to drink it. I just, I need you to like go and press the buttons and see.
Caffeine is a drug!
Don't you smoke a bunch of weed? Keith, can you go get me coffee?
No.
You don't understand, it's because you're black.
Excuse me?
I can't get coffee because I'm white, so I need you, a black person, to go get coffee for me.
You know what? It's too early for this.
Racism is ruining my day!
Coffee machine worked just fine for me.
How?
Well, it was simple, really. All I had to do was make the selection and the machine brewed me a nice hot cup of Colombian gold.
You're telling me the coffee machine brews gold?
What? No, are you high?
Can you make me another cup of coffee?
Yes, I can.
While I watch.
Yes, I perform better with an audience. Now, if you'll notice, I hit coffee drinks, Colombian, small, regular, go. Oh.
Wait, but if the coffee machine is racist against white people, and it got Ian to brew him coffee, then that means Ian, you're black.
Ian is black.
Ian is black. Ian is black. Ian is black.
What?
Ian is black. Ian is black. Ian is black. Ian is black.
People, do you know how hard it is to be a white man in America?
Yo, you gotta dial it down, Shane.
No, I don't, Keith. It's hard being white. For instance, okay, I can't have spicy food, even though Pepsi does help with the heartburn. Oh, how about this? The other day, I was pulled over by a cop for no apparent reason other than my registration was expired, and he helped renew it for me, which was very nice of him. What else? Politics. No, my salary? No. Oh, acting jobs. Definitely not. Definitely, no, I'm straight crushing it. Oh, but the coffee machine! The coffee machine is 100% racist! Against white people!
Are you sure you're doing it right?
Of course I'm doing it right, Olivia. I'm a white man! I press coffee, espresso, small, strong, cancel, duh.
You're supposed to press go, not cancel.
They're not the same? Well, what about Courtney? You wouldn't give her coffee?
I don't want coffee. I like empty cups. There's a hopefulness to an empty cup. You can put anything in. God bless.
What?
Oh. Well then, I guess we're good. I'd appreciate it if we didn't tell anybody else about this.
I already called HR.
I completely understand. Coffee, espresso, small, strong, go.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video.
Did this nigga really just do that? Okay, well, not a lot to say about that. That was pretty funny though. Let's see. I hope you guys like that reaction video because I got some other things I want to ask you. Now, I have a Twitch, but I'm probably gonna make a Twitch for our YouTube channel. Would you rather me stream on YouTube or stream on Twitch? And if you guys have a certain preference, a schedule, help me out because I'm like dying here. But I hope you guys like this reaction video. There's more videos to come. There's I'm getting a camera soon, so stay tuned for that. But I hope you guys have a good day. This is Bryce. I am Brian. You guys have a good day. Peace.